Little Angel Reader.
Little Angel Reader.
Go Fish Fairytale. Play with us. Max and I are playing Go Fish today. I have 5 cards in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Max has 5 cards in front of him. Max, do you have a witch turning a prince into a frog? Check your cards.
No, I don't.
Go fish?
Go fish.
Okay, I go fish. Whoop. Okay, what is it? Okay, Max, you ask me now.
Do you have a knight going on a quest?
Do I have a knight going on a quest? No, I don't. Go fish. I don't have a knight going on a quest. My turn. Do you have a pirate digging for buried treasure? Do you have
Here
a pirate?
you are.
Oh, a pirate digging for buried treasure. A match. Your turn, Max.
Do you have a witch turning a prince into a frog?
Yes, I do. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have a dragon breathing fire?
No, I don't. Go fish.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh. Okay, Max, your turn.
Do you have a pirate following a treasure map?
Can I see the card? A pirate following the treasure map. Hold it like this so I can see it. No, I don't have a pirate following a treasure map. Go fish. Do you have, take one card. Do you have a dragon guarding its treasure?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Then I go fish. Whoa, funny one. Okay, your turn, Max.
Do you have a mermaid sitting on a rock?
Can I see the picture? No, I don't have a mermaid sitting on a rock. I have a mermaid, but it's go fish, but it's not a mermaid sitting on a rock. Do you have a mermaid painting a starfish?
No, I don't. Go.
Okay, go fish. Oop. Your turn, Max. You ask me.
Do you have a dragon eating a princess?
A dragon eating a princess? Can I see the picture? No, I don't have... Oh, wait! Wait! I do have a dragon eating a princess right here. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's your first match, right?
No, this is my
The
second
second
match.
match. Do you have a knight searching for a dragon?
No, I don't. Go fish.
Okay. Oh, I have a match. A knight getting rid of the dragon. Wait. It's my match. Okay, Max, your turn. You ask me.
Do you have a pirate flying the Jolly Roger?
Yes, I do. Jolly Roger is the name of the pirate flag, Max. You're welcome. Do you have a dragon breathing fire?
No, I don't. Go fish.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Do you have a princess riding a unicorn?
Can I see the picture? No, I don't have a princess riding a unicorn. Go fish. Do you have a mermaid talking to a fish?
No, I don't. Go fish.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, Max, your turn.
Do you have a mermaid
Can I see the picture?
painting a starfish?
Yes, I do. Here you are, a mermaid painting a starfish. Can I please have, can you please give me a unicorn? A princess riding a
Here you are.
unicorn. Thank you. My new match. Wait, let me take a picture. Max, how many cards do you have left?
3.
3, and I have 4 cards. Okay, your turn. You ask me.
Do you have a pirate following a treasure map?
Can I see the picture? A pirate following the treasure map. No, I don't. Go fish. Do you have a dragon breathing fire? A match?
A knight going on a quest.
A knight, you got a match. A knight going on a quest. Do you have a dragon breathing fire?
No, I don't.
Okay. A dragon breathing fire! Let's take a picture. Your turn.
Do you have a mermaid sitting on a rock?
A mermaid sitting on a rock? No, I don't. Go fish. Do you have a mermaid? What? Do you have a match?
A pirate following a treasure.
Treasure map. Okay. How about a mermaid talking to a fish?
No.
No? Go fish. Oh! We got a match. A mermaid talking to a fish. Okay, your turn.
Do you have a mermaid sitting on a rock?
No, I don't have a mermaid sitting on a rock. Go fish. Do you have a dragon guarding its treasure?
A mermaid sitting on a rock.
You got a match? Do you have a dragon guarding its treasure?
No.
Are you sure? Okay, say sure, I'm sure. Yes, because I got it. I have a new match.
I have nothing.
You have nothing? You ran out of cards? Okay, take 2 more cards. Okay, Max, your turn again.
Do you have a knight
Searching?
searching for a dragon?
Yes, I have a knight searching for a dragon. Here you are.
Thank you.
And I ran out of cards, so I'll take this one. Do you have a princess locked in a tower?
Here you are.
Oh, this is my last match, Max. Let's count the cards. Okay, just wait. Let me take a picture of these 2 pictures. Okay, Max,
1,
start counting your cards.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
So you have 16 cards. Can you please help me to count my cards? How many cards do I have? You have 16 cards. These are your cards. Can you please help me to count my cards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have 16 cards and I have 14 cards. Max, who has more?
Me.
Yeah, you have more. So who is the winner?
Max.
Max is the winner because Max has 16 cards and Mommy has 14 cards. Mommy has less. Max is the winner number 1 and Mommy is the winner number 2. There are no losers when you play a game, right, Max? And it's fun to lose too. Thanks for playing with me today. Bye. Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Goodbye, winner number 1. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have you read any of my books? Which one is your favorite? If you like my stories and the way I read them aloud on my channel, you can support me by buying my books on Amazon. You can also thank me here. PayPal littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you for all your help and for reading with us today. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.